Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very nutritious and a calcium rich recipe called Ragi Khichu, also called as Nachni Khishi. Add 1 cup of water in a pot. Now bring this water to a boil. As bubbles start to appear, add 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Our water has been boiling well. Add half a teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of papad khar. This is completely optional. Next we will add 1 cup of ragi flour. Mix it well. Now turn the flame off at this stage and cover with the lid and set it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover and give everything a good mix. Now remove the mixture on a plate. Start kneading the mixture. We need to make a soft and a smooth dough. The mixture would be very hot at this stage, so you can apply some water to your hands and then knead the mixture. Our dough is almost ready. Now divide the dough into smaller portions. I was able to make 6 dough balls using 1 cup of ragi flour. Now take one dough ball and make a hole in the center just like a medu vada. Now repeat this process for the remaining dough balls. Now take 1 cup of water in a large pot. Bring this water to a boil. Once the water has started to boil, place a stand and place a sieve on top of a stand. Then place all our ragi vadas onto the sieve. Brush them with some oil. Now cover with the lid and steam for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool for another 10 minutes. Our khichu looks done. Now remove them on a plate. The khichu looks perfectly cooked. Now sprinkle some oil and enjoy them warm. You can also enjoy them with pickle or peanut chutney. I hope you liked my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.